All right, guys, we're back. We're actually going to plug the cable modem directly into the Dream Machine, okay? And then this needs to go into the switch from here, okay? Just like that. Now you're getting internet. Now your Dream Machine is getting internet as well. Now the switch has already popped up on my phone, the UniFi app, and you can see it says, if you can see real close, that it's adoption, I guess is what it's really saying. Yes, we want to adopt it. So everything is back online. All right, guys, we have it all put together now. I didn't order quite enough cables, so I've got a couple that are a little too long. I'm going to order those so that it looks really, really good then. But we got our power distribution in, we got our cable modem in, we got our new switch in, and our Dream Machine. We moved everything around. I think it's more efficient. We do have the new power backup in. So guys, I think this is looking great. Once we put the doors on, shut this, clean this wire up a little bit. We might get a smaller wire for this one as well. But after all those things are said and done, I think we're good to go. All right, until next time, guys. See ya.